In this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways to turn any picture into cartoon using Canva. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into it. First, you're going to open up Canva. Then, you're going to upload the picture you want to turn into a cartoon. Then, I'm just going to duplicate this and move it a little. Then, I'm going to go to Apps. And here I'm going to search for cartoon. Once you type cartoon, you should get Cartoonify. I'm going to select Cartoonify. And select Cartoonify and replace. And after a few seconds, it's going to turn your image into a cartoon. You can see the results. It looks amazing. To save it, just click Share at the top right corner and save the image. Now I'm going to show you the other way. I'm going to duplicate this again and drag it on the side. Then come to Apps again and type Anime. Select Animeify. Click Animeify and replace. And wait for a few seconds, and there you go. The results are ready and the image looks fantastic. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like.